guys, Tonko from YouTube. Just here with the 9051 radio controlled helicopter, Brown Eagle. Double horse, just got this today, gyroscope. It's got all, I'll just show you what's in the box. There, should come right out. Stuck. There we go. It's in the box. There we go. Got the user manual. Got the Australian standard wall charger. Plugs right in the helicopter. Got the radio. Right out. Got the radio. So got the antenna. And last but not least, we got the helicopter. Remote. And the charger. And yeah, I'll do a few flying videos probably today or this afternoon. And put that up as well, show you what it flies like. And yeah, cheers guys. You walk out like a woman in